The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, northeastern Pike County in southwestern Arkansas, southwestern Garland County in central Arkansas, southeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas, west central Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas until 10 p.m. At 9:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Norman, or 9 miles south of Mount Ida, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Glenwood, Amity, Norman, Lofton, Doug Ray Lake State Park, Bismarck, Alpine, Salem in Pike County, Bonnerdale, Welsh, Rossboro, Point Cedar, Hopper, Perky, Caddo Gap, Pettyview.